looking good. What are you getting there? We're at Costco again. We're in the giant fridge in Costco. This is our fall Costco shopping
It
mall.
actually feels so good in here because Texas is hell on earth.
Come on, that lettuce weighs like 2 pounds. This is a new product called Veggie Puffs. These look pretty good. We're gonna try them now. This one's something we've tried before, but it's spicy cheddar.
I was actually just thinking about it'd be better to have like veggie puff Cheetos.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then this is such a manifester.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the first bite. They're very flavorful.
Tastes like barbecue.
Yeah, it does taste like those Lay's barbecue chips.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it tastes just like Lay's.
I kind of don't like it because it tastes so processed like Lay's potato chips. It doesn't taste very natural.
It'd be good with lemon and Valentina.
Lemon and Valentina, it's already way too flavorful.
Lemon and Valentina make everything better.
That sounds nice, let's do it. But I think these veggie puffs are way too much flavor. I guess it would go good with like a sandwich. If you make like a simple turkey sandwich or a burger. Holy kombuchas are on sale. So Sharon's gonna stock up. This acai, guys, if you haven't tried it, is one of the best juices we've ever had. It's delicious and nutritious. It's pretty sweet actually. This is on the sweeter side. Wow, 24 grams of sugar for each 8 ounces. That's a lot. Actually, it is really sweet, but it's so good. It's sweeter than having the acai bowls. Ginger and turmeric, and they're in little shots. They're organic. Should we try this? One is ginger and orange juice and one is turmeric and orange juice. If we get oranges, we can just make this ourselves. We already have the ginger and turmeric, right? We're gonna go get oranges now and make our own ginger turmeric. We just found a new item at Costco that I think a lot of people will love. Costco's now selling peanut M&Ms, everybody's favorite, but this time in bulk. Look at this. This looks amazing. I could eat this in a day. All right, so we've emptied the shelves at Costco and we've gotten all of our groceries. This completes our haul. So here's what we got. There's Sharon's favorite snacks that she loves. Some veggie burgers that everybody loves. We can never get too many of these. We eat those like every day. And then celery, carrot, apples, oranges. These salad kits are amazing. We always eat
have
these.
one like every day.
Grapes. This beautiful butter lettuce. It's still alive. It has roots in it. It's amazing and delicious. Organic spinach. And that, my friends, is a healthy Costco grocery shopping haul. Didn't we get some delicious foods today, honey? So we just left AMC. Well, we just saw a really good movie called The Hustlers with Jennifer Lopez herself. And Cardi B appeared. There was a lot of good actors in it and actresses. Even G-Eazy was in it. G-Eazy was that girl's boyfriend. Anyway, what do you think of the movie? How many stars did you give out of 5 stars?
I thought J-Lo was Oscar worthy.
Pretty
Like
good.
she's 50 years old and obviously has never been a stripper in her life, and she was like so
Yeah,
believable.
the first scene of her stripping on the pole
And
was
she learned it just for the movie.
I was amazed. First I was like, no way, this couldn't be J-Lo, but then it was. It was a great movie. It was star-studded, tons of celebrities, and the story, the plot was good. I thought it was kind of interesting because I've never seen another movie with a similar plot about like strippers doing crimes and stuff like that. I thought it was going to be more of a big-scale crime whenever I learned about what the movie was about. I thought it was going to be like a huge crime where they were doing like millions of dollars worth of stealing or something, but it turned out to be like some small street crime, like little strippers stealing a few $1,000s from guys. Anyway, it was kind of interesting to look at stripper life. I never knew any strippers that well, but I never heard of strippers like life stories before, so this was pretty interesting. So what do you think of the stripper lifestyle? Do you think it's like what Cardi B experienced when she was a stripper?
I don't know. I thought they were gonna show more of her. She was like a extra.
Yeah, I honestly thought Cardi B was going to be one of the main characters,
Yeah,
and
me
I was
too.
excited about that actually. I was really looking forward to
Yeah,
that.
I feel like her story is more interesting than this movie. Like just watching J-Lo act is the only interesting part about this movie.
But if Cardi B was in more of it, it would have been even better.
Yeah.
I was thinking like just the way Cardi B talks is interesting. I honestly thought it was like J-Lo made the film. The other
Yeah.
girls were not like, they were average. They weren't bad, but they weren't like good.
And it wasn't even that good of a story.
Yeah,
It's
that's
just
what I'm
because
saying.
J-Lo was playing it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The story was not that great, but J-Lo made it interesting.